Once upon a time, a young boy named Sam was playing in the garden when he spotted a beautiful butterfly. He wanted to catch it, but his mother, who was watching him from the kitchen window, called out, "Sam, don't catch the butterfly, just enjoy watching it." Sam didn't understand why his mother stopped him. "But Mom, I just want to see it up close," he protested. His mother smiled and walked over to him. "Sam, butterflies are delicate creatures. If you catch it, you might hurt it, even if you don't mean to. Sometimes it's best to admire beautiful things from a distance and let them be free." Sam thought about it and decided to follow his mother's advice. He watched the butterfly flutter away, feeling happy that it was safe and free. The moral of the story is, sometimes true kindness means allowing things to be as they are, appreciating their beauty without trying to possess them.